Good morning, everybody, students from and the school, Eider Galagraga, and the teacher, and all the parents that are at home. Thank you for coming to this presentation. And the first group is ready to start explaining everything.
Hello everyone, we are Nikole and Enara, and we are going to talk about a DC motor. A DC motor is an electric motor that converts electricity into motion. It's called like that because it runs on direct current. Electricity motor, a DC motor works because it has like the electric flows. Then the magnet inside the motor there are electromagnets. Also, it works because of attraction and repulsion. The rotor spins, so the wheel also spins, and there is a commutator inside the motor. You're gonna be asking, why do a DC motor spin? Well, a DC motor spin because of the push and pull of the magnetism. The push and pull to keep spinning and turning electrical energy into electricity. And the key parts of a DC motor are the rotor, the shaft, the the filament mountains, and the communication. And the DC motor is very useful because it's very easy to use, affordable, and it's used in a lot of projects like fans, electric toys, and other stuff. And this was our thank you. Thank you.
You can see at home that we have two DC motors, one on the right wheel and the other one on the left wheel. Maybe there is a question. Do you have any question? No.
Ni galdera bat. Zein izan da proiektu hau egiterakoan aurkitu duzu zailtasunik handiena?
We think that it was connecting the Arduino because there were many cables, so it was difficult to connect.
Very well, Enara and Nikole, well done. And we are going to have some minutes to prepare the following group. See you in a couple of minutes. Thank you.
Hello parents, we are Eneritz and Illare, and we are going to explain the Bluetooth mode. First, I'm going to explain the overview of HC06 module. And first, the functionality is this module allows this device to communicate a Bluetooth connection. It uses Bluetooth 2.0, which has a range of about 10 meters in open sensor. The application is that it is commonly used in this electronics project for applications like where data transfer, remote control, and internet of these applications. And the compatibility is that the module is compatible with most devices. These support Bluetooth, serial communications, including smartphones, laptops, and microcontrollers like Arduino and more. Now I'm going to explain you the HC06 specifications. It has a voltage of 3.3 to 5 volts and typically 5 volts when used on an Arduino. The communication protocol uses a serial mode using RX and TX pins for data exchange. Then we have the Bluetooth version that in this case it uses the Bluetooth 2.0 that has a range of 10 meters in the ideal conditions. For its mode, it uses only the slave mode that only lets it receive communications but not initiate them. And lastly, its settings that are its baud rate of 9600. It's named as HC06 and its pins that can be either 1, 2, 3, 4 or 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now I'm going to explain the HC06 pinout and connections, and the CC connects to the 5V power supply and microcontroller. The GND ground pin connects to the ground to microcontroller, and the TS transmits data for the HC06 to the connected device. And finally, the RX receives data sent by the connected device. And one important thing is that since the RX pin works at 3.3V, if your microcontroller use 5V logic, for example, in Arduino, or you should use a voltage divider or better shifter to remain to RX pin. Lastly, we are going to say how it works. It has four steps. The first step will be the connection, and when the HC06 is powered on, it appears discoverable in every device. Then there will be the pairing. That to pair it, you need to go to your Bluetooth section and find it and pin it with the default pins that we said earlier. Then the data transmission, that once paired, it allows to receive and send data through the serial connection. And lastly, the communication protocol that uses a UART communication that goes. This was our presentation. Thank you.
Do you have any question? Gaiska, Eide? There are no questions, so we are going to stop a little bit, a couple of minutes, and we are going to follow with the next group. Thank you.
Hello, we are Naiara, Aiza, and Anartz, and we are going to talk about, this is our car, and we are going to talk about the L290 and 98 N.
The 298N is used to control two DC motors that are left and right motor by allowing the Arduino to change motor, directions and speed. And this current, the current that this electronic device can give to the motors is up to 2 amps. The connections of the motors are the left motor is connected to out 1 and out 2 on the L298N, and the right motor is connected to out 3 and out 4.
Now the power connections. The L298N receives power from the battery pack through the plus and minus pins, and 5-volt pin in the Arduino is connected to the VIN on the L298N to supply power. This is assuming that the battery pack voltage is compatible.
Now I'm going to talk about the pins. There are 4 control pins in the L290 and that allows to connect the motor to the Arduino. We have the EN1 and the EN2 that allows the Arduino to control the left motor, and the EN3 and 4 to control the right motor. And the specific pins on the Arduino, these connect to may vary depending on the code, but each code depends in the pins will be like to a digital IO pin on the Arduino. And here you can see.
Finally, in the screen, you can see each group did a site to show their own projects and dividing the site in a home, design, program, and their specialty. Thank you.
Is there any question? Do you have any question? Guy there? Someone?
Do you think that the current that you used in this circuit are dangerous? 2 amps are high or no?
We think they are low, but they are up to 2 amps, so it can vary.
Okay.
Okay, so we are going to wait a little bit, and the next group will be ready in a couple of minutes. Thank you.
Hello, we are Eneko and Aratz, and we are going to speak about the future of electrical. The future of electrical vehicles is bright, driven by technology and government support. Better batteries will offer longer range, faster charging, and lower costs.
Mass production will make electric bicycles more affordable. Infrastructure, fast charging, networks, and wireless charging are making this fun.
Countries want to remove more or less combustion cars by 2035. The models are going to be cheaper and they are going to take into account the environment.
In the future, electric bicycles will dominate the market, helping reduce emissions and transforming global mobility. This is our car, and we have created a lot of problems with the rest structure.
Okay, is there any question? Maybe Gaska either, your colleagues?
Do you think that the electric cars are useful now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Aratz and Eneko, thank you. We are going to wait 1 minute just, and the last group for today will have everything prepared. Thank you.
Hello, we are Gari, Olatz, and Aimar, and we are going to talk about Arduino. As our specialty, we have described in a short way Arduino Uno's parts. Arduino is popular because it lets you make projects when you can control lights, motors, sensors, and more.
Four parts of the Arduino are the microcontrollers, the power pins, the digital pins, and the analog pins. The microcontroller is like the brain of the Arduino, and it reads the program. The power pins are the pins that give the energy to the Arduino. Digital pins are numbered from 0 to 13, and you can connect them things like LEDs. And the analog pins are numbered from 80 for 85, and they read the information of the sensors.
Another three parts of the Arduino Unos are the USB port, reset button, and voltage regulator. The USB port is the part where you connect the Arduino to the computer, and it also allows power when it's pushed. The reset button, this starts the Arduino program from the beginning. And the voltage regulator keeps the right amount of power going to the Arduino.
This is our car. This is the Arduino, the green thing. One question. Does your car move well to the side? Yes, move to the right and to the left. Why? Yes, very good. Why? Because when one wheel is rotating to the front and the other to the back. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we have finished for today. Tomorrow we'll have, well, today we are going to have more presentations at 20 past 11, and tomorrow at 10 past 12 we'll have more. See you. Bye bye.